All right, you guys, so you're welcome back to today's video. How are you guys doing? I hope you are very good. All right guys, so please don't forget to thumbs up this video and share it. Okay, thank you, and watch the video till the very end so you could see all of the amazing ingredients that I'm going to be using to cleanse the liver in just 3 days. Like, this is my grandma's old recipe that cleanses all the dirt in your tummy. Like, all of the dirt in your body will literally go out through your urine or your, you passing out poop. Okay, all right, so the first thing, and of course we're going to be using just 3 ingredients, not too much, so continue watching. The first ingredients that we're going to be using is this, and this is lemon. So in a normal ground, I would have just said we should prepare all of this lemon plus the zest, but I know that most of you guys are not going to be able to eat it plus the zest, so I'm going to be washing it. I'm going to be washing it so that I'm going to be peeling that off, yeah, so we can use it. So you don't need to use the zest, but my grandmother told me that if this must be very effective, that the zest has to be inclusive. But when I tried it myself, I didn't actually use the zest, because the zest is usually bitter, and there's this oil, this concentrated oil inside the zest of this lemon, which makes it so bitter and unbearable. So that's why I'm actually showing you this. If you want to clean the liver and then live a healthy life, try this particular remedy. Just try it for just 3 days and then go back to the hospital and do a test. So what I'll be doing, I'll be cutting into pieces just like this. Alright, so after cutting that, then I'm going to be cutting it little by little. All right, okay you guys, so we're going to be transferring that into the bowl. And there it is. Then keep that aside. And then again, we're going to be making use of garlic, you guys. Okay, now garlic is one great natural antibiotics and disease removal, remedy that helps and works so effectively. So I'm going to be taking just some cloves of garlic, and then we'll peel this all off. So this is enough. And what we're going to do, we're going to cut them little by little, tiny. Okay, Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna be putting that into the lemon. And then we're gonna mix that up properly. All right. So the next thing we're gonna be putting is organic honey, you guys. You have to get organic honey, unrefined, very pure, you know, so that this could be very effective. So organic honey, and then we're gonna be putting that inside of the lemon and the garlic. Okay. And then we stir and mix very well. Okay, you guys, so what you're gonna do is that we're gonna be taking just 1 spoon, just like this. You want to grab 1 spoon of it with the honey, and then you just chew it. All right, let me chew mine. Well, that is really nice, you guys. The taste is just a mixture of the lemon and the garlic. Okay, so chew this very early in the morning without eating anything. Your stomach is empty, you know, just chew a little. Just take a little like this, and then you just chew it, and then you follow by drinking water, you guys. Okay, so you take 1 glass of water, after which you finish chewing this, yeah, and that would help to flush and cleanse your liver really well. Okay, make sure you take a warm water, or you can take just a natural, like a room temperature water, but very early in the morning like that, don't take cold water with it. Okay, all right, you guys, so as you try this, very sure it's going to help you. You can see this, you can store it and then repeat doing this, okay, for an effective result, and go back to the hospital to test for your liver. You are going to, like, the doctor is going to be shocked at how this is going to help you to cleanse your liver like real crazy. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you, and bye bye.